You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey sports fans, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and it's time to check out the next tabletop Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty. We haven't decided yet. We're either going to do slam dunk or touchdown. But why don't you recap the soccer one and the baseball one?
Here's a little recap on this. Crazy Aaron's goal soccer game, LPS Dave.
Yeah.
Super fun.
Yes.
Super exciting.
Yes.
Super challenging.
And who won?
I got my tail whipped.
Yes, I won. You got one, I got like 30.
I was not very good at that.
Okay.
Good game, though. Very fun.
That's the putty that comes with that one. It's like a white putty with some little
Black
speckles.
beavers.
Yeah.
Now the baseball slash cornhole one.
Yes.
Awesome putty, LPS Dave. Good for stress management, and you may need it for this game.
It was tough. It was tough.
That was a tough one. Took us a while. I say us, meaning you.
Yeah, I didn't really want to put you into that one because I was afraid you might not do too well. Because I got a single, I got a double, and I got a triple.
Yes, and a lot of outs.
Well, a few outs, sorry.
You know, at that point, though, even if you're getting him through the out circle, it still feels like a victory because there were so many that we missed. That was hard.
It was.
But fun. The putty was very convenient to have for stress management.
Yeah, and this is what we're here for. We're here to learn and to teach parents out there if they want to get this or not.
That's right. We're not perfect, LPS Dave.
But we do recommend it. It's still fun.
We're just a man and his dog, LPS Dave.
All right, let's do slam dunk. Since that's next in line, let's come back. Let's learn about that one. We've learned about the other two. Check out those videos.
Yes.
Let's get it out of the box.
Yes.
All right, nothing but net. Ages 4+. It is a tabletop game. Originally, I was interested in these thinking that we'd play them together, but we're not sure. We don't know till we try.
Yes, Dave, there was a while ago, I was auditioning for a movie. You might have heard of it. Air Butch. Maybe you've heard of that?
No. No.
I do have some basketball skills, let me just say that. They ended up making a different version of the movie, but mine was the original idea, just so you know.
Was there a dog in that one that got the role and you didn't?
You know, just...
Shoot some hoops wherever you are with the Nothing But Net Thinking Putty set. Roll the putty into a ball and take your best shot.
I like it. Collect them all, and you have.
I have. I mean, I haven't done Crazy Aaron in a long time, and all of a sudden I inundated everybody with Crazy Aaron. But...
you can't go wrong with Crazy Aaron, LPS Dave. That's my motto in life.
Yeah, I mean...
I'm going to make a t-shirt on that one, too.
I enjoy Crazy Aaron's. I have probably one of the world's largest private collections of Crazy Aaron's.
And we have a Crazy Aaron's museum in the back now. A wing, if you will.
Yeah, that's a wing, yeah.
Careful.
I am being more than careful. There's nothing that will injure me at all on this. I just need to...
Worried about the packaging, LPS Dave, not about you in this regard.
Yeah, that's really nice of you. Thanks, buddy. Worried about the packaging more than me. I'm sensing something there. I don't know what it is, but we'll see.
I know how much you care about the packaging. How about that? Just thinking about you, LPS Dave.
Sorry, buddy.
That was fun.
I like the sound of the crinkly packaging.
That is super crinkly, I have to say. Can I play with that later?
Hey! Set up your basketball hoop. Step 1, attach the suction cup to a flat surface. Okay, don't have that. I have to set that up. I didn't know I would
Use
need
my forehead if you'd like. That's rather flat.
Attach the longer blue piece to the smaller. Okay. Attach the longer blue piece to the smaller. Oh!
That works.
Insert in the little thingy. Slide the backboard into the slot behind the net. Okie dokie.
Makes sense.
I'm feeling really good about this one. I remember I struggled a little bit with the soccer one.
That was tricky. There was some bending going on in that one.
Yeah, and then this onto this.
Oh, that is awesome.
Okay, I think I need to get like a glass cutting board out here, some kind of glass base. Oh, look at that.
Oh, my.
It seems a little,
Melty.
It does. It's an orange, and then it has something in it, like little sparkly stuff in it.
Just like a real basketball that they use in the NB of A.
Stuck under the lid. And there's some stuck to the side.
Is that normal, LPS?
It is. And I have this obsession with
Nothing to be alarmed by?
Nothing at all. Okay, there we go. Oh, squish, squish, squish. I'll tell you what, let's see. Okay, it's all set up. After you set up your basketball hoop, use your thinking here. I'll tell you why I was confused here, because they don't show you attaching the longer piece to the smaller piece. They just kind of show you that going in here. I think up here, no. Attaches, no. They don't show it. So it looks like they just put the piece on.
They figure there's only 5 pieces. You should be able to figure it out.
Eventually. All right, yeah, so it's got little tiny something in there. You see the something in there? It's really small little pieces. Okay, that's all done. Now you're ready to play. See the reverse side. After you set up your basketball, use your thinking hoop. Use your thinking to make a basketball. Remember, a smooth round ball will always be easiest to shoot. Try and make yours as round as you can. Experiment with sizes to find which works best for you. Set up the hoop 6 to 12 or even 18 inches away. Hold the ball between your thumb and forefinger. This one? So not your pointer. I know.
Booger finger LPS, Dave. Booger finger.
I normally don't see it as forefinger. You usually call it a pointer. And take your best shot. Now they should have a little picture of these 2 fingers.
Yes.
Bounce off the backboard or go straight for the swoosh.
Swoosh.
See how many baskets
This is pretty much straight up basketball, LPS, Dave.
Yes. See how many baskets you can make in a minute. Challenge a friend to a game of horse. We call it puppy around here. We don't play horse. Yeah, we play puppy. It's a little longer than dog. Keep moving the hoop to set the record for longest basketball made. Longest basket made? That's correct. I read it wrong. So I want to try to do this, and I want to try to...
Look at that, LPS, Dave. Oh, man. This is... I got it.
Oh, all right.
Nice.
Let me get this a little more secure, and we will play basketball. All right, the court is set. This is a glass board.
Court's in session, LPS.
Court's in session. Okay, can I get to what I was saying here? This is a glass board that you've seen many times on old videos, and a little dusty, thanks to Butch. He cleaned it off. And I am set now. I need to step back. All right, what I would like you to do is just be careful. If any balls come in your direction, just ignore them. I have plenty of putty. I am going to make different sizes. So this is the size. We know I can already do it, right?
Oh, you can prove that up.
Yeah. You've seen me score.
I want to see that big hook shot you were practicing.
Hook shot.
Half court.
Hook shot. Hook shot. Oh.
Oh, rimming, no good.
No good. Here we go.
Here comes LPS Dave.
Oh.
He's going to take a long 3-pointer. Here he goes. He shoots and score. No.
Okay, I'm sensing that it's a little bouncy when you're further away.
Boy, and you can get it. That net's tough because it's rigid. It's not a swishy net.
Okay, don't worry about it. Let's get to the next one. Just make another one. See, that's the best part.
I like it.
I'm going to downsize it.
It's just hard for me, LPS Dave, because I see a ball roll by.
I know.
It's a natural reaction.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh,
hit the
right
rim.
off the front of the rim. Ooh, trying for the back
Way
shot.
out of the way. I'm going to make it a little smaller now.
How about a layup, LPS?
I'm actually probably, would you say, 3 feet away?
Far, yes, far. Boy, oh boy. So close.
It's because it's bouncy.
Look at that. You got to get it right through without hitting anything.
I think to make a swoosh, I have to downsize. Because when I was close, it was easy. But now you get further away.
Just go up and dunk it, LPS Dave.
There.
There we go.
That went right in.
Try to dunk it.
So the smaller, the easier, right? Okay, so with that in mind, let's just go with a mini basketball.
We'll shoot underhand, like a granny style, they call it. LPS Dave.
Here we go. And far away. Oh!
Still hard.
You
right there.
You have to make a perfect swoosh.
You are shooting from halfway across the shop. I have to say that's impressive.
Oh, in and out.
Wow, that's hard.
I tell you, I'm going to change the size.
If you make it super teeny, maybe it'll get in between those net.
Here's a tiny basketball, and now I'm like 4 feet away. Over the end.
Tricky.
There we go. And ooh, hit the rim. So it's very possible. You just have to experiment, like they say. Here we go. Oh,
I mean,
In
you're
and
going
out.
for the record right off the bat, LPS Dave.
I
I
know.
said go for
Well,
the
if
record.
I'm here, it's like, okay, that's easy. Let's do
pretty
something
good.
else.
Pretty
Move
good.
on. Move on. That's easy.
Try your backboard shot, LPS Dave.
Like hit the backboard? All right, here we go.
Ooh. Oh, almost. Tricky. It seems easy.
You almost are. I'm too high. Like if I was this short.
You got to get inside the square, LPS Dave.
No.
Super bouncy.
Yeah.
Oh, boy. A little high. A little lower, LPS.
All right, let's
Slam dunkaroo.
Oh, slam.
Yes.
Oh, it got stuck.
Nice.
Come here, buddy. Let's try it again.
This would be a fun little desktop game, LPS Dave.
That's
Sit
what it
play
is.
it at your desk.
Yes. I agree with you. Oh!
Nice. Backboard.
That was backboard and in, wasn't it?
Uh-huh.
Did you see that?
I did.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
I did.
But did you see that?
Called your shot.
Look at that.
Nice.
In again.
Swisherema.
That one rolled off the table. Through the woods. It picked up some...
You are the Michael Jordan of Crazy Aaron's tabletop b-ball.
Very interesting. Just making it perfectly round. And... Yeah.
Look at that.
All right, so when I play horse, I'm like, all right,
Swisheroonie.
spin around 15 times. Hop on your foot 12. Do 10 jumping jacks. Balance the ball on your head. And then spin around, jump on the ledge, then shoot.
Nothing but net.
Yeah. Is that how you play?
I like it.
Right.
I usually say, I'm going to go get something to eat.
Yeah, and then I'll make a shot later. All right, because then you can do the side shot in.
Wow. Three-pointer.
You
Good.
can do the bounce shot. Those are always tough.
It's be tricky without a perfectly round ball.
Oh, yeah, you think so, huh? You think it's tricky, huh? Tricky,
I
tricky,
do.
tricky. Here we go. The bouncing in. Oh,
Very close.
Very.
I think it's the soft bounce that's the key, LPS.
Yo!
Nice shot.
So it's possible.
Woo!
It's really possible.
You know, I do have to say you look cute in your little basketball shorts, LPS Dave. Those
Thanks,
little short shorts. You know, the style is they're wearing them a little longer these days. You shouldn't have pulled out the ones from the 70s
Oh, yeah, they did change
with the high socks and all that. You look great.
No. Thanks, buddy.
Your Converse All-Stars.
I tell you what, I think I want to clean up everything around you. We'll come back and we'll wrap it up. All right, there you go, everybody. We have now played the game.
Big fan, LPS Dave.
Big fan. I think I like soccer because it's two people. We were able to play together. This one and the cornhole are kind of like single person, put it on your desk, practice and play. You don't have to bother your buddy and say, hey, can you take over the goal for me or anything like that. So you kind of, you know. But I have you around, so I can actually play any of them. Because you're always available. I'm just like, Butch! I know it's 4 in the morning, but let's play a little soccer here.
Or 4 in the afternoon. I'm sleeping at either time.
Yeah. And that is the Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty, nothing but net tabletop version, ages 4+. And thanks for watching, everybody. And now that you've stressed out, you can relax with your putty.
This was a much less stressed out game, LPS Dave.
I did struggle with one of them, but we won't mention it here.
Baseball.
Well, we have one more to go, so why don't we make a video of that at some point? What do you think?
No promises.
All right. Later.
Bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.